Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sharifuddin Mashharum, and I will be representing my teams in our final project for the subject HDT 670 Islamic Tourism, and our final project is an innovation of Islamic holiday. And we call it Sunnah Holiday Kampung Style, 3 days and 2 nights. So my team members are me, Bayanuddin, Fadilah, Afiqah, and also Fakih Haifah. So this presentation will be prepared for Dr. Arni Abdul Ghani, our lecturer for this subject. Okay, these are our table of content. Firstly is introduction, then introduction of the project, or of the project, then innovation of the package, problem statement, pros and cons of the package, problem statement, novelty values of the package, marketing strategies, then how the product will strengthen Islamic tourism as whole in Asia, then how the product differs from competitors, and also marketing and promotion samples, and lastly conclusion. For introduction, our project name is Sunnah Holiday Kampung Style 3 Day and 2 Night, and this project was an innovation of Islamic holiday package. This package is packed with beneficial activities such as Kenjang trekking, Sunnah sports, and also there are some of activities that the participant will be visiting in the village. And also our project is it highlights the concept of family and meets the needs of customers, whether they are present in large number family or married couple. So this package is suitable for any groups, whether it is in large groups like maybe around 40 to 60 people, or maybe only a family, or maybe just a married couple. Maybe like they go to this they take this package maybe for anniversaries or honeymoon and so on. Okay, next. Innovation of the package. Okay, so this package was based on other packages. Example, it means that we do some research and we observe other Islamic tourism package samples. So we do some innovation, and we redefine some of the services that are provided in other packages. Okay, so the services or activity offered that emphasizes more on ethics and the relationship between man and woman, which this means that in our package we emphasize the Sharia law and ethics, and also the relationship between man and woman that are usually being neglected in other packages. And also this package also provides sports activities such as archery, horse riding, and others. So problem statement: firstly, lack of knowledge about Islamic tourism, then misunderstanding about Islam and Islamophobia, and the spread of pandemic COVID-19. As we all know that problems that occurred and that make us come up with this project is, firstly, there are lack of Islamic knowledge in Islamic tourism management. So we are going to emphasize the Islamic law, then the understanding about Islam and Islamophobia, and also which occurred because of many of misunderstanding in Islam, and also as the spread of pandemic COVID-19 occurs, so the tourism industry is going decreased. So the pros and cons of our package. Firstly, the pros is our package is rich in knowledge, which in every activity there will be some knowledge session or sharing session between tourists and also the host or the tour guide. Then our package also provides many exciting outdoors activities, such as like I said before, horse riding, jungle trekking, and others. Then maintaining the etiquette and culture raw. Yes, because as we said before, that this project will be presented or will be done in a village, so it really emphasize the etiquette of Sharia of Islam and also the culture of the places that the project will held. Okay, sorry. Then the cons of our package is weather constraints. As we said that there are many outdoors activities, so the cons of this project is that whenever the weather is rainy or impermissible, so some of the activities couldn't be held. Next, novelty values of the package. Firstly, it's beneficial from physical, spiritual, or mental. Like say before, so our programs, our package doesn't just it has activities such as visiting to some places that can makes people get more knowledge, maybe about the culture, the Islam, law, or any other places in that that can give knowledge to visitors. And also, as we said before, that the package also consists of physical activities, so it can be beneficial for physical, spiritual, and mental, as we also will emphasize and give knowledge about the Sharia laws in every activities that are held. And also it ensures the safety and ethics. Like I said before, this most of the activities aren't dangerous, and we emphasize the ethics of Sharia law in our activities. Marketing strategies. Okay. In terms of the project itself, firstly, it consists of several unique activities that is definitely Muslim friendly. And in this term, we really emphasize the Sharia law, and and as for example, we separate the man and woman in activities that requires maybe like for example, like in the sports. So it's not really suitable to combine man and woman in one one activities in sports. So we separate them in order to obey the Sharia law. Also, as this project was originated in Malaysia, so it is 100% Muslim owned and produced. And also, in terms of marketing itself, we will promote our project or product by initially promoting our products on social media and internet. So this so the promoting session will be held in like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and so on by our and we use videos and also posters and so on our social media. And we also spread awareness about our product in our local Muslim community, which we will keep in touch or talk or spread the awareness about our product by individually approach Muslim community in our locals. So this is the first one. This with the Arabic wording here is our poster, and the second one, the picture, is actually our screenshots of our video. So the link will be provided in our reports. So this is our sample of brochure. Next, so how the product will strengthen Islamic tourism as whole in Malaysia. So our product is Sharia based tourism package. So the Muslim tourists wouldn't have to worry about the ethic or any other aspects that worrying Muslim tourists. Next, our product also brings the Islamic concept that will lead us to deepen life that follows the Islamic rules. As we said before, the activity will be separated between men and women, and also in every activities there are a sharing session and also knowledge given, maybe a thought, or not a thought, like sharing in terms of knowledge and information that will strengthen and deepen our knowledge about Islam, and also provide Islamic satisfying services and activities. As I've said before, that there are activities that also that are sports like archery, horse riding, and so on. So this sport was actually originated or these sports are called Sunnah sports. So we know that it is the Prophet sports. So it will always be satisfying for Muslim tourists. Next, how the product differs from competitors. So firstly, our package is satisfy Muslim friendly concept. Next, it is undoubtedly obeys the Shariah's law and also highlights the Islamic value in each of the activities. So conclusion, our product is called Sunnah Holiday Kampung Style 3 days and 2 nights because it lives the theme of village and Islam in its implementation. Next, this product was designed to help Muslims who want to relax and unwind in a more Islamic way. Also, this product is an innovation of Muslim-friendly holiday packages, and this package consists of several activities that is definitely Muslim-friendly, as well as exciting and educating. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.